What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today's video, short, sweet, simple. We'll just be throwing on this here UPR catch can. The reason I roll with the UPR catch can is because it comes with the braided lines, comes with the color match hose fittings, and as you can see right here, the connections are just the OEM style, just like the OEM style that comes off of the car itself. Right down here and up here, and as you can see, it's the exact same style. Now, the price wasn't too terrible. I think it was only like 160 something, I don't know. I'll just have to go look again. And of course, with the high-end looking finish that it came with, that's why I roll with this one this time, and everything is so much simpler. Just like the quick disconnect, I really like that feature as well. Just a simple little knob, you don't need any special tools. Twist that, you just pull the whole catch can right on off. So that's a cool, neat little feature, and it comes in two colors, black and satin, I believe. If you want some of the other fancier colors or custom engravings and stuff, you might have to go with a different brand, like Billet Tech or something like that. But this was more than enough for me. I don't really care for all the fancy stuff going on the hood. It's very rare to people even under my hood anyway. But this is what we're rolling with. So this is what we got. Let's go ahead and throw it on real quick. I already took the time and broke this bolt loose right here. This is 13 millimeter right here. Use this little socket. Already broke it, and that should be the only screw that we need. And then we'll throw on their supplied hardware because it's just a tad longer. So we'll just be throwing that down here. Let's pull that screw out and get this stuff put on. Put the bracket on first, and then we'll throw the catch can on. Short, sweet, and simple. Shouldn't be too terrible. You can see the size difference between the two. There you go. And that's why you switch to the new ones, because it's a tad longer to fit through here and fully seat where it needs to be. So there you have it, Tube U. UPR catch can installed, ready to go. We'll check back in a couple 100 miles or so to make sure it's actually doing what it's supposed to do. But other than that, pretty straightforward install. Literally just one bolt that came out down here at the bottom. Pull that one out. Here it is right here. Pull this out, put it in their supply bolt, throw on the Z bracket, throw on the catch can, and throw on your hoses. Only one hose taken off. Yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. First time stopping by, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you guys get a notification when these videos go up. Switch to the Instagram channel, Low3760, all one word. I'll put it down in the description, man. Until next time, Tube U, I'm out. Peace. The bracket will get attached, and then you use their supplied. Okay, that's going. The video's going well so far. All right.